Alright, welcome to day 2 of Real Estate Domination with me, Eric Giguère. So today we're going to be talking about setting up the system, how to build a good foundation so that your system works and automates everything that you don't want to do. Let's get going. Clickety click. So in today's lesson, we're gonna be purchasing your domain, setting up hosting, installing WordPress, and activating your autoresponder. So here's an overview of the whole system. Here's your blog, which is going to be your domain and your hosting. That's why we get a domain is the name of the website, and your hosting is so that your website can be on the internet. And your autoresponder, which will be used to capture lead contacts and then send them messages regularly over a period of time. The rest of this overview is simply here's your niche content that we'll be creating at the later part in this training that will be bringing back traffic to your capture pages automatically, and worldwide syndication of your content to create links towards your niche content. My apologies. Sorry about that. And then eventually we'll be connecting your blog to all the social networks like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube to create more connectivity and more traffic. So picking a domain. Now, your main real estate domain should, actually it must be a .com. Everybody assumes .com when you tell them a domain name. So if you have something else, they may get it confused. Like if you have a .info, they may get it confused and they'll never find you. So make sure that your main real estate domain is a .com. It should be general. You don't want to register your name as your main real estate domain, because eventually, when you're done with real estate, you may want to sell your system, and it would be very hard for someone else to brand themselves to a system that has already been branded to you. So if you have a general real estate name, you'll be able to sell it to anybody, and they can start using it, and it's already pre-made for them. It should be easily spelt. When you say the name, there should not be any confusion on how to spell it. I'll give you an example. If you use numbers, or if you use special text, someone may get confused. Like if you say, real estate 6, they don't know if it's spelled 6 or if it's the number 6. Or if you use easy real estate, like EZ, my apologies. Hold on. My apologies for that. So it should be easily spelled. You should not get any confusion in the name. So make sure that it's something very simple. As far as general, the city real estate, example, that this is a great. This would be great if it was available. Most likely, it won't be. But you want to have, definitely want to have something that seems to be close to this, like with your city name and real estate, or it could be a suburb name and real estate. But this is going to help for when we do search engine optimization. And your domain should not contain dashes. Don't make the mistake I did. A dash is a horrible thing when it's your main domain, because when you spell out the website, dash could be misconstrued as spelt out dashes, or a dash as a character. So real estate, a domain that's a simple string of letters is the best. Shorter is obviously better, but at this time, short domain names is very hard to find, so you may have to go with something a little longer. It's not the end of the world. We'll register domain with GoDaddy, and that costs about $8 per year for your .com. At a later date, when we start registering domains for capture pages, you may want to go with info, .info. It doesn't matter at this point, and that costs I think $2 a year for the .info. Hosting, I use HostGator.com. It's $10 a month and allows you to have unlimited websites, unlimited space, unlimited bandwidth. Bandwidth is the amount of traffic you get, so you could get tons of traffic, it doesn't matter, and unlimited email. The reason I use HostGator is primarily because they give you unlimited websites. If you use hosting with GoDaddy, they allow you to only host one website per hosting account. They charge $5 a month, but when you end up having 3 websites, 4 websites, 5 websites, it starts to add up. And in the future, you definitely will have more than just one website. So why use WordPress as a website platform? So WordPress is a blogging platform. It has all the functionality of a regular website and much more. Blogging is a dynamic way of publishing information online, and the main reason we use WordPress is because Google loves WordPress, and Google indexes your pages very quickly. If you have a standard website, it may take weeks to get indexed, while a WordPress blog will get indexed within minutes. The main reason why I use WordPress is a concept called ping. Ping is simply every time you put on new information on your blog, it sends out a ping to Google. So it'll ping Google, and Google will come back and check it out. And we'll be setting up a long list of pings so that every time you publish a new piece of content, your blog will send pings to numerous different websites. And that will create numerous different links back to your website immediately. And that's really the main advantage of using a WordPress blog. As far as autoresponder, I use Aweber. It's the highest rated autoresponder online. It's a $1 30-day trial, and then after that it's $20 a month. I made the mistake when I got it started of going with a free autoresponder, and that cost me about 300 leads because the free autoresponder one day just vanished. So today I use Aweber, and definitely I would never go back. So an autoresponder allows you to collect leads, manage the leads, connect with the leads automatically through a series of predetermined messages sent out at a predetermined time, and allows you to broadcast emails at the click of a button as many times as you want. So you could send, obviously you don't want to be spamming your prospects, but you could send an email when rates change, or when you get a really good deal on a property, or when you have a promotion running and you want to let all your subscribers know. So the total cost of the system is less than $400 a year. When you compare that to the other fees you have to pay for real estate, this is definitely going to be the cheapest and wisest investment you've made so far towards your business. If you start, if you consider farming is, I did farming for a little while, and just to send out 1,000 postcards, I think it cost us somewhere close to $600. And this system allows you to continuously market to your prospects for free, as long as you pay the $20 a month for your autoresponder. So let's get technical, let's go register the domain and all of that.